Croissant Loaf, 2 ways, sweet and savory, made in the Omnia. Make this easy croissant loaf using ready-made dough. One side is filled with ham and cheese, the other with strawberry jam. A perfect sweet and savory combo in one bake. The ingredients. For the savory side, 2 types of grated cheese, thinly sliced ham, 2 rolls of croissant dough, 1 egg. For the sweet side, jam, almond flakes, icing sugar. Let's get started. We'll make the savory one first. Flour your work surface lightly. Unroll the dough. To help the dough bake evenly in the Omnia, flatten it slightly with a rolling pin. Spread the first layer of cheese evenly over the dough. Keep the edges free, then add a second layer with a different cheese. I'm using young, mature and aged cheese for extra flavour. Now layer the ham on top. Make sure the slices are thin so the dough can cook through properly. If the filling is too heavy, the dough may stay undercooked. Start rolling from the short side. Seal the seam. A little water works like glue. Close the ends as well. Place the roll into the Omnia silicone mold. If you don't have one, grease your pan thoroughly. Now for the sweet croissant loaf. The preparation is the same. Spread the jam generously over the dough. Again, leave the edges free. Sprinkle almond flakes over the jam. Save some for later. Roll it up from the short side. Seal the seam with a bit of water. And press the ends closed. Cut a small piece of baking paper and place it between the 2 rolls. This prevents the jam and cheese from mixing, if anything leaks out. Place the jam roll into the mold, seam side down. Brush both rolls with Eggwash. Sprinkle almond flakes over the jam roll and give it another light egg wash. Sprinkle sesame seeds over the ham and cheese roll. Now, the Omnia setup. I use a Flametamer, otherwise the bottom will burn before the inside is fully cooked. First the Flametamer, then the base, then the pan. Start on high heat on your largest burner for 5 to 6 minutes. To build up heat, place the lid slightly tilted for a couple of minutes. Then reduce to medium heat and bake for 15 minutes. At this point, the rolls have been cooking for about 20 minutes. Remove the Flametamer. Keep the lid on for 3 minutes. Then tilt the lid slightly again for about 5 more minutes. This helps the crust turn golden brown and become nice and crispy. You'll see the temperature rise to around 200 degrees Celsius and the rolls start to colour. In total, the baking time is about 30 minutes. And wow, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? For extra shine, brush the rolls with melted butter. Dust the jam side with icing sugar. Remove the baking paper. Take the rolls out of the mold and let them cool slightly. Enjoy! Until the next video, Ma.